Education seems to be the only solution to all problems afflicting the society today. With the outbreak of COVID-19 worldwide and the subsequent need for social distancing, the luxury of leveraging technology in education has suddenly become a necessity.
Things were moving along just fine when we heard of this deadly virus that had rocked China late last year. And by March this year, it got pretty serious in India as well. And like it happened in most other countries, India too was forced into a total shutdown.
While there were many challenges connected with imposing a lockdown in a country as massive as India, the biggest concern was how are the 400 million students here going to attend their classes?
And that was the real challenge. There was so much of confusion and uncertainty over the future of crores of students in India. No one had a clue about how physical classes were going to be held and about how so many students were going to be promoted. Yes, there were a lot of video conferencing apps, but there was nothing that we could really call a complete online classroom.
The answer was simple but sophisticated. A mobile application designed solely to help educational institutions or private tutors teach students from the safety and comfort of their homes. Live streaming at unbelievably low internet speeds, a digital whiteboard, and 3 different ways for students to interact in class that will give you a near physical classroom experience. These, along with a host of other never-seen before features like live recording, systematic scheduling, digital library, online test and assignment portal, and an attendance tracker to make this a true one-stop virtual learning solution.
I've always believed that any adversity brings along with it an opportunity. While there has been so much talk about digitization in the recent past, for a breakthrough like that in education, it may still have taken many more years if it was not for this unprecedented global shutdown. Well, I'm really happy and proud to be a part of this wonderful team that has made the most of this opportunity and has almost sort of pioneered this transition of bringing home the classroom.